Hey y'all, McKenzie and I are back. I know, can you see us now? Hi everybody. Okay, there, put the chips out of the way. All right, I have constructed the 3 pocket panels for my apron, and McKenzie is finished with 2 of her pockets. She's got the piping on them, and she's got 1 more to construct. She's marking hers right now to put the stitching on to form the actual inserts, and I'm going to do the top stitching. And I just wanted to show you that this is what the pockets look like with the piping in them. And if you want to, you can go back and top stitch that. And I may when I'm done, I may not, I don't know. And then I put rickrack on mine, and rickrack is fun. You kind of, you're not supposed to zigzag with it. You're supposed to straight stitch, kind of right down that center line that runs on there. And then I used a product called Steamacine, which is, it's an adhesive that's on a tape right here, and this one is a 1/4 inch wide. You see it right here, and you just tap it lightly with your iron, very gently, or the heat of your fingers, or if the fabric is still warm, and then you can peel it up and then put your next fabric on top of it. So there's just a little bit right up under there to hold this ribbon on. And so now I'm going to go back and I'm going to put just a little bit of top stitching on here and a little bit right on here just to hold this down. And then I'm going to put my 2 pockets together and make some dividers on here so that I have all my 3 layers together. So that's what we're working on, and we will be back to y'all shortly and get all this finished, and then we have straps to do, and we will have some completed aprons. So yay! So y'all have a wonderful day, and all these videos will be saved so that you can look at them later. Alrighty? But oh, and by the way, each of them has the backs to them, so they're all completed front and back. Alrighty? Bye y'all. Oh, bye.